it's me again. And I literally spent like the last 20 minutes bullshitting instead of getting ready for work. But I am about to get ready for work. Well, I'm mostly ready. Excuse me. I'm mostly ready for work. I just need to put on my shoes and, well, I need to put on my work pants and my shoes and then leave. But before I do that, I looked down and I saw this. I got this from the, what is it, the ethnic market that we like to go to get our bulk meat from. So they always have little, interesting things. I'm just like, okay, well, is it coffee related? I'll get it because I want to try it. So I got these Parrot crackers, coffee milk biscuits. So artificial coffee flavor. They're supposed to be good up until like next year. Let's see. It says it has desiccated coconut milk. Desiccated coconut. And so that's going to be interesting. So, coffee milk biscuits. Let's see what the situation is, if I can. Alright, there we go. Okay. Not what I expected at all. I thought they were going to be in like a little tray like thing, not just like in the packet, because like, where are you going to... Ooh, okay. Definitely smells like coffee. Oh, wow. It definitely smells like coffee. It's definitely more cracker. Well, it's definitely a biscuit. I like it. And like the coffee. I remember my cat. You definitely see the coffee specks in it. Is that good? Yeah. And it's like super light and buttery, so it's not like it's there. It's like, it's not like super coffee. It smells like coffee. You get a little bit of the taste the more you chew. I guess it's the perfect thing to kind of go with coffee or maybe tea. I've never been one to like dip biscuits or crackers in like... What was that? Hello? Sounded like someone was talking and it wasn't my roommate. Oh. Crispy, it's a little sweet. It's a solid snap. That's what it is. It has like a layer of like sugar on top of it, and I just want to see if it's just sugar. Does it have any salt? Not just sugar, but it's good. Would I buy it again? I don't know, because this is a lot to go through for me and myself. So I'm definitely going to share it with the roommate and other people. But like the coffee flavor is there, but now that eating like a whole thing, it doesn't really taste like coffee. So I give it like a 2, like on the coffee scale. Like you can tell that it's kind of there, but it's not there. But it doesn't taste like shit. It tastes good. It just doesn't taste like it's a whole coffee thing. But maybe if I were to eat it with coffee or see what people usually eat with this, I'm gonna start doing more homework when I'm doing some things so I can make better quality content. Just a little bit. But yeah, decent. Not like super coffee. I thought it was gonna be, you know, gonna give you a little coffee boost, but you know, but it's definitely a good cracker. My bad. Biscuit. So, now let me stop bullshitting, get properly dressed for work, and leave. Until then, I'll see you when I see you. Bye.